Hello guys, welcome you all in our YouTube channel that is a Pharma Science. Today's video will be covering the topic classification of anti-adrenergic drugs. लास्ट वीडियो में हमने देखा था क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ एड्रेनर्जिक ड्रग्स. सो आज हम देखेंगे क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ एंटी एड्रेनर्जिक ड्रग्स. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द डिटेल क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ दिस एंटी एड्रेनर्जिक ड्रग्स. Anti-adrenergic drugs classified into two major classes. First class is alpha adrenoreceptor blocking drugs and second one is beta adrenoreceptor blocking drugs. So this is the two major classes of anti-adrenergic drugs. So let's start the each and every class. तो अब हम देखेंगे फर्स्ट क्लास दैट इज अल्फा एड्रेनोरेसेप्टर ब्लॉकिंग ड्रग्स. अल्फा एड्रेनोरेसेप्टर ब्लॉकिंग ड्रग्स अगेन डिवाइडेड इनटू टू मेजर क्लासेस. एक नॉन इक्विलिब्रियम टाइप, सेकंड क्लास इज इक्विलिब्रियम टाइप. The class of non-equilibrium type again divided into beta haloalkylamines. The example of beta haloalkylamines are phenoxybenzamine. So this is the example of beta haloalkylamine class. So the second class of alpha adrenoreceptor blocking drugs is equilibrium type, also called as competitive type. The equilibrium type again divided into three major classes. First one is non-selective, second one is alpha 1 selective, and third one is alpha 2 selective. The non-selective class again divided into four major classes. First is ergot alkaloids. The example of ergot alkaloids are ergotamine and ergotoxin. Second class of non-selective type is hydrogenated ergot alkaloids. The example of this class is dihydroergotamine and second example is dihydroergotoxin. So these are the two examples of hydrogenated ergot alkaloids. Third class of non-selective type is imidazoline. Example of this class are tolazoline and phentolamine. Fourth class of non-selective type is miscellaneous. The example of this class is chlorpromazine. These are the four classes which are under the class non-selective type. Second class of equilibrium type is alpha 1 selective. The example of this class are parazosine, terazosine, doxazosine and tamsulosin. These are the example of second class that is alpha 1 selective. Third class of equilibrium type is alpha 2 selective. The example of this class is eombin. So this is the detailed classification of alpha adrenoreceptor blocking drugs. Two major classes, non-equilibrium type and equilibrium type. Non-equilibrium type again divided into beta haloalkylamines and the example is phenoxybenzamine. And equilibrium type also called as competitive divided into three major classes, non-selective, alpha 1 selective and alpha 2 selective. Non-selective again divided into four major classes, ergot alkaloids, hydrogenated ergot alkaloids, imidazoline and miscellaneous. And these are the detailed examples of each and every class. So this is the part first of the anti-adrenergic drugs. अभी हम देखेंगे second class of anti-adrenergic drugs. Second class is beta adrenoreceptor blocking drugs. The beta adrenoreceptor blocking drugs again divided into two major classes, non-selective also called as beta 1 and beta 2 and second one is cardioselective. The non-selective type again divided into three major classes. First class is without intrinsic sympathomimetic activity. Example of this class are propranolol, sotalol and timolol. These are the example of without intrinsic sympathomimetic activity. Second class of non-selective type is with intrinsic sympathomimetic activity. Example of this class are pindolol. Third class of this non-selective category is with additional alpha blocking property. The example of this class are labetalol and carvedilol. So this is three classes which are under the category non-selective type. Second class of beta adrenoreceptor is cardioselective. Example of this class are metoprolol, atenolol, isobutalol, bisoprolol, ismolol, betaxolol, celiprolol and nebivolol. These are the example of second class that is a cardioselective. So this is the detailed classification of second type that is a beta adrenoreceptor blocking drugs. Two major classes, non-selective and cardioselective. Non-selective again divided into three major classes. First class is without intrinsic sympathomimetic activity, with intrinsic sympathomimetic activity and third class is with additional alpha blocking property. And these are the example of each and every class. Hope you like this video. If you like the video, please like and subscribe our YouTube channel that is a Pharma Science. For more detailed videos regarding GPAT, NIPER and Pharma Rated, please subscribe our YouTube channel that is a Pharma Science. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much.